Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, August 3rd, and this is my full top-down analysis for gold. And we are going to start on the monthly time frame and work our way all the way down to the 1 hour. So on the monthly, I wanted to start off zoomed out a long ways, all the way back to the early 1900s, but just because I wanted to point out that gold is a never-ending uptrend, and more than likely it will continue to trend up. As the years go on, it probably almost definitely will continue up. So I just wanted to make that very clear because, gold literally could continue the uptrend at any time. So anyways, on the monthly time frame, I think this is a wave one, I think this is a wave two, and this is definitely to me a wave one of three, a wave two of three, and this is a wave three of three. It needs to make a wave four, which it doesn't necessarily have to do now, and a wave five just to finish off this wave three trend that started right here. So we are definitely, in my eyes, still in a wave three. And a wave three is supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend too. So another reason why gold possibly could just keep on going up if it wants to. Now I've been saying for a while that likely the wave three of three is over, and this is like a WXY of four, and then it was going to go up and make a five, and that potentially would be the completion of a wave three, which I still think is pretty possible. The only thing I don't like is that we still never did get a break of structure down. So the trend, even on the weekly time frame, the trend is definitely up. When the trend is up, it could literally just go up anytime it wants to and just continue up. So going down to the daily time frame, I wanted to make that very clear because on non-farm payroll on Friday we got a nice impulsive turn to the upside, very very impulsive. There's a chance that this thing just keeps going up and makes new all-time highs. Definitely possible. Now I've been saying for a while that this is one, two, three waves down for W, one, two, three waves up for X, and then one, two, three waves down for Y, which still definitely could be possible. But this big impulsive move right here is actually more impulsive than this, which makes me think that maybe it's just going to keep on going up. We definitely want to be looking for longs and sort of time frames while we learn what it's going to do. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, this is where we're potentially going to learn what it is. We should be looking for logs, no doubt about it. We got to break a structure. This move up potentially could be a correction to this move down, and if it is, then it likely will start making overlapping patterns. If it starts making overlapping patterns and then goes to a Fibonacci level and then turns down really hard, then that's obviously a correction to this move down. On the other hand, if it just keeps pushing, making higher highs, maybe bouncing from fib levels, but it keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, then that is an impulsive move, and that is the continuation of this weekly and monthly time frame uptrend. So definitely looking for longs while we learn and earn what it's going to do. 1 hour time frame, this is the break of structure. If it breaks below there, then more than likely I would put my Fibonacci retracement on there, and then I would look for another log. And like I said, if this starts making very overlapping patterns, the definition of a correction is basically overlapping. So if it starts doing stuff like this, and then like that, then you pretty much know that you're looking at a correction to this move down. If it's not, and it really is continuing the higher time frame uptrend, then more than likely it will be higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and it'll just keep on going. That's why I would recommend longs. If it breaks structure to the downside, then if you're a short time frame like scalper, then maybe you can start looking for shorts. But just keep in mind it's probably just a correction at that point, like a wave B or a wave two. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.